Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop. Today we are looking at the Meloncella Galatina. That's a Meloncella Galatina. This is an Italian cucumber melon, Caracello variety, that is usually very dark when it's light outside, but we've been getting quite a bit of shade, and this was under the foliage, so it didn't get quite as dark as it normally would. Normally it can get all the way dark. Again, this is the Meloncella Galatina, and I'm here today in my backyard. There's some compost under my orange tree, and there's my garden. I use water bottles to be able to keep up the heat when they're little and to keep them from getting too cold. That helps them to grow faster. Anyways, so I'm going to be trying this new cucumber melon out today. This is my very first time, so hopefully I can maneuver this with one hand. Well, one thing I first wanted to say is there are some tiny hairs on there. You can't see it on there. You can barely see it on here. Let me go in a bit. So every melon has little hairs to begin with, even the Armenian cucumbers. It's just you don't see them as they get bigger because the ratio of skin to hair is greater. Anyway, so I'm going to cut this open. Let's see here. And there we go, very nice. We have some immature seeds there. Oh, I can smell it. It smells very strong. So this is a variety that I was able to acquire from a friend, very good friend in gardening over in Italy. And this is a very rare variety, not even available from seed companies. Oh, look at that. I'm going to try this out. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. That is incredibly good. Yeah, it has a bit of an aftertaste. I'm not sure what. Okay, I'm hooked. So, excuse me while I chew. A lot of these cucumber melons were handed down from generation to generation for hundreds of years, and were sold at the market, but the seed was kept from everyone else, and because of the need to preserve it, some gardeners and farmers have been willing to share. So that's what happened here. Someone was willing to share with a friend of mine, and he shared with me. So I'm so grateful for that, because that's what really keeps these varieties going. And it's a wonderful thing for us to be able to try these varieties out. Again, this is the Meloncella Galatina, a Caracello cucumber variety in the melon family. And this is a smaller one. I just picked these just to try them out. I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day. And happy gardening!